Click on the Folder button within the project group at the top of the main RockWorks menu. Select the Create New Project option from the pull-down menu that will appear just below the Folder button. The New Project Wizard dialog will now appear on your screen. For this exercise, we're going to accept the default location titled New Project. For your own projects, you'll want to click on this yellow folder icon and type in a more descriptive name such as Hanford Contamination Site 27B. Click the Next button to accept these settings and proceed to the next step. We're now going to define the type of coordinates and units that we'll be using for this exercise. Change the horizontal coordinates to UTM. Verify that the datum is set to WGS 84, also known as NAD 83. We're now going to change the UTM zone by clicking on the Zone button. We will now be presented with a map of the world showing all of the UTM zones. Double-click on Zone 13 and the previous menu will reappear with the UTM zone now set to 13. Verify that the horizontal and vertical units are set to meters and then press the Finish button. You will now be presented with a confirmation dialog that summarizes the coordinate system in units that will be used within the new database. Please don't be overly intimidated by the gravitas of all this. RockWorks includes tools to redefine and convert database coordinate systems, units, and data after the data has been imported or edited. Press the Yes button and let's see what happens. The project folder is now set to New Project. The coordinate system is now set to UTM WGS 84, also known as NAD 83, Zone 13. And the borehole manager is now assuming that all eastings, northings, elevations, and depths represent meters. To see what happened behind the scenes, let's have a look at the new project folder within the Windows File Manager. An SQLite database was created with the same name as the project folder. For RockWorks to work correctly, the database and the project folder must have the same name, so don't rename any of your RockWorks folders or SQLite databases without considering this caveat. Also note that RockWorks created a subfolder in Special Files within the new project folder titled System. The files within the System folder are necessary for RockWorks to function properly. They contain the data dictionary and menu settings for the project. Although you need not know anything about them, it's important that the System folder be included if you copy or move the project folder.